Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video we will learn about how to use sum with the help of formula and how to use sum without formula, and third one is the shortcut key to use sum function. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I made a very simple example. It's a sale data for the east, west, north and south. What I would like to see the sum at the bottom of each column for the east, west, north and south. So I will use the formula. It start with is equal to SUM and then start of bracket, then select the first cell, then colon sign, and then select the last cell and then close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see it's showing me the sum at the bottom of this column. If I want to have sum total for rest of the column, I will just simply drag from the bottom and then it will copy the formula for rest of the columns as well. So this was the by using the formula, how can we sum the values? Now I'm deleting those values. Second one is how to use sum without formula. So for example, again, I want the total at the end of each column. So I will select all those values and then from the home tab on the right hand side, there is a Autosum function. If I click this one, now you can see it's showing me the sum of all these values at the bottom of each column. So now this is showing me the total as well. So again, delete all these values. And third one is shortcut key to use sum function. The shortcut key is Alt is equal to. If I press Alt is equal to and press enter, now it will give me the same result as it gave me for the last two options. So again, if I want to copy, just drag from the bottom and it will copy the shortcut key for me. So this is how you can use the sum function with formula, without formula, with the shortcut key. I wrote down the formula on the side. Start with is equal to sum, start of bracket, cell range, close of bracket, and shortcut key is Alt plus is equal to. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. I am leaving the link for Excel beginner course in my comments. If you want to start your Excel journey, you can join that course. So I'll see you guys in the next video.